Hey, thank you for checking out this video. This video is about meta popping. It's a way for you to get an AI to assist you on the details. What I mean by this is you know what you're looking for, but you don't know how to describe it to the AI. You ask for a meta pop, and it will generate a pop for you to copy and paste into another chat window or into another AI assistant. And you can use it for anything under the sun, more or less. If you're looking to generate an image using Midjourney, say I already use Midjourney to generate a picture, and you have to give more detail about looking for a car that is nice and red and all that stuff. It will give you, and when it spits it out, it will give you more details about what you potentially could be looking for. But I'll show you my screen in a moment. But first, I want to tell you about myself a little bit in my channel. This channel, I am Justin Dart. I'm the guy who's recording these videos. And why I'm recording these videos is for me to educate you about AI and neurodivergence and the combination of both. If you're interested in this, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, by all means, leave them, and I'll get back to you. Anyway, I want to jump over to my screen and show you what I mean by meta popping. So this is my screen. I was using Notion. I copied some screenshots because just to keep it looking nice. Actually, I went back and forth a little bit. I just did like how it worked. But anyway, this is where I started from, and I wasn't too happy with this, so I cleared it, and I cleared it, and at the bottom in the red circle it says Ask AI. So I did. It came up with this, and I said, "Can I get a meta pop for this page?" It gave me this. So it was all completely made by the AI assistant with Notion, and it's much more complete from my original page I was using. I did not read this, but it is way more detailed from what I was using, and it's probably pulling from my other sources on my Notion page. And I have used AI to help me with lately, just with how to approach other people, particularly women, and what can I do to be more effective as being me. What I mean by this is, since I'm neurodivergent with autism spectrum and ADHD and other things, but those to affect my ability to connect with other people. So I'm asking, it's like, okay, given what you know about me, what's the best way forward? And it helped me with picking a particular application that I'm using and what I should be expecting. And when I do connect with someone, it gives me, based on what I told it, what could be a good first message based on my context and the context I have given about the women. And so the other scenes, I have asked, hey, is it a good idea to do this? It says, no, not yet. Give it a little while. You don't get any responses, do that. If you don't get any more responses, do Y, and so on. So that's what I've been using for stuff like this. And we want to pop over to my talking head again. So in closing, it is a very useful and very powerful way to get your AI to assist you in much more in-depth popping. If you don't, like I said, if you don't know what you're looking for, so you know what you're looking for, you just don't know how to get there. Using meta pop would be an effective tool for yourself. And I actually have You can go pretty in depth and pretty detailed with this stuff, which is good, because sometimes I know what the outcome is, like what I'm looking for. I just don't know how to get there. So that's another effective way of doing it. Anyway, thank you for checking out this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. And if you know anyone who can benefit from this, I would love you to share it with them. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.